What's going on, family? Today I want to give you a house tour of a Lennon Floor plan by Meritage Homes. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home in York, South Carolina. Now, if you're not familiar with York, South Carolina, please watch the video. I'll go over some highlights of York, but there will be a video in the description talking about and highlighting the benefits of living in York, South Carolina. Come with me, let's go take a look at the Lennon floor plan. And if you're interested in this community, the Monterey Park community by Meritage Homes, I have 3 other videos going over various floor plans. Now, let's go inside and take a look. Let's head inside. When you first go in, you have this hallway and you have a half bath right underneath the staircase. Now, all of these design features are standard. You're going to get the luxury vinyl plank flooring. You're going to get the 42-inch kitchen cabinets up top. And you're going to get a very good looking backsplash. Please be sure to watch the other 3 videos I do, because I highlight those and give you a tour, but you get to see the different design features, and the different backsplashes are absolutely magnificent. You will either get a granite or quartz countertop, and that is a gas range with a microwave that vents to the outside. Now, I've been getting a lot of people reaching out wondering, well, telling me I need a gas range. I can't cook with electric. Well, this community in York, South Carolina has a gas range. Before we get upstairs, let me tell you a little bit about the community and where we're at right now on March 14th, 2023. So this community, Monterey Park in York, South Carolina, will have about 156 homes in total. We're looking at all the lots right now. Presently, they have only sold 10 homes. So if you want to get in on the ground level and regarding new construction, typically the beginning of the community is going to be the best pricing. If you want to get in on the ground level, lock in your price right now, please reach out to my team and I. Our number is on the screen as well as the description below. We would love to help you and guide you through your home buying process so you can decide which home is perfect for you and your family and negotiate on your behalf for the best price and the most and best incentives. Now let's go upstairs. You do have this loft. Again, you have 2 entertainment areas. You have the living room downstairs and this loft, very large loft upstairs. Going into bedroom 1. Pricing in this community starts off right around $339 presently. Now that's not for this floor plan. For this floor plan, they have one available at $349, $455. Now, if you use the builder's lender, there are incentives in which we can achieve for you, whether it be closing cost or rate buy down. What that means is buying down your interest rate to something more reasonable to make your payments lower. We can negotiate that and get that into your deal presently. And we may, it's a may, I can't guarantee anything, may be able to do something better with the price as well. I've been successful in the past, but again, I can't guarantee that will happen in your situation, because I don't know when you will reach out to me and what's going on in the market. We just looked at bedroom number 3. This is the laundry room. And now we're about to look at the owner suite. Spacious owner suite. That is a king size bed with extra large nightstands on either side. Now we're about to go to the bathroom, where you have a large countertop with dual vanity sinks, quartz countertop, as well as a tile shower, not one of those plastic inserts. Please, if you're interested, give me a call, shoot me an email. We would love to help you and get the best deal for you. I'm Sir Ashley. I look forward to hearing from you, and check out my other videos. Oh, before I go, Meritage Home is known for their spray foam, the best insulation in the area. I'm Sir Ashley. I will talk to you soon.